Greetings, fellow tech aficionados. Welcome back to the Gadget Corner, your ultimate destination for uncovering the latest and greatest in the world of gadgets. Today, we're about to unveil a true gem in the realm of smart speakers. Allow me to introduce you to the extraordinary Echo Pop. Oh, and here's the exciting part. This gem happens to be one of Amazon's top-selling products, setting new benchmarks in the world of smart audio devices. Now, before we delve deep into the magnificent features that the Echo Pop boasts, let me just drop a little insider tip for you. The direct link to purchase this beauty is neatly tucked away in the description box below. So, without any more suspense, let's dive headfirst into what makes the Echo Pop a true standout in the crowd. Feature 1. Small size, mighty sound. Alright, let's kick things off with the Echo Pop's defining feature. Imagine a smart speaker that's compact enough to effortlessly blend into any space, yet packs a punch with its captivating sound quality. That's the magic of the Echo Pop in a nutshell. Feature 2. Voice-controlled music. Now, let's talk music. With the Echo Pop as your trusty companion, experiencing music becomes as simple as uttering a command. Alexa, our genius digital assistant, is ready to play your favorite tracks from the likes of Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, Pandora, SiriusXM, and more. Oh, and guess what? You can even connect it via Bluetooth to infuse your space with music that resonates with your soul. Feature 3. Transforming spaces into smart havens. Hold on tight because there's more magic in store. Imagine turning any space into a smart haven with a mere vocal cue. The Echo Pop can effortlessly control compatible smart devices, such as lights and plugs, through either voice commands or the user-friendly Alexa app. It's like having your very own tech-savvy genie catering to your needs. Feature 4. Simplified living with Alexa. Convenience alert, everyone. Alexa is here to elevate your everyday life in ways you can't even fathom. From setting timers and checking weather updates to making hands-free calls and even reordering essentials, Alexa's got your back. It's akin to having a personal assistant at your beck and call. Feature 5. Endless skills. Brace yourselves for the Echo Pop's incredible versatility. With an ever-expanding collection of tens of thousands of skills, Alexa is your gateway to endless possibilities. Whether you want to unwind with soothing sounds or challenge yourself with music trivia, the Echo Pop and Alexa have got something for everyone. Feature 6. Privacy matters. Let's address a crucial concern, your privacy. The Echo Pop takes privacy seriously with its ingenious light bar design. It only activates when it hears the magical word, Alexa. And for an added layer of reassurance, a dedicated mic off button ensures your conversations remain entirely confidential. Feature 7. Sustainable design. Here's something that'll make you smile even wider, the Echo Pop's commitment to sustainability. Its fabric is thoughtfully crafted from 100% post-consumer recycled yarn, while 80% of its aluminum content is recycled aluminum. And the cherry on top? The packaging is 100% recyclable. Now, that's tech that cares for both innovation and the environment. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the remarkable Echo Pop, a true game-changer in the realm of smart speakers. If you're as captivated as I am and ready to bring this tech marvel into your life, don't wait another second. The Amazon purchasing link is right there in the video's description below. Click it and join the league of smart tech enthusiasts who are making the Echo Pop an essential part of their world. If you found this deep dive intriguing and can't wait to get your hands on the Echo Pop, remember to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to The Product Corner for more thrilling tech insights, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out. Until our next encounter, keep exploring, stay curious, and embrace the world of smart possibilities.